Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will help you fix your Toyota Yaris key. First, identify if your key fob is unresponsive or has weak signal, which often indicates a dead battery. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR 2016 battery. Gently pry open the key fob casing, usually along the seam, to access the internal components. Be careful not to damage the plastic housing or the circuit board inside. Once open, carefully remove the old battery. Pay attention to how it's oriented, usually with the positive side facing up. Insert the new CR 2016 battery, making sure it's seated correctly and makes good contact with the terminals. Then, align the two halves of the key fob casing and gently press them together until they snap securely into place. Test the buttons to ensure they feel responsive. Sometimes, after a battery change, your key fob might need to be reprogrammed to your Yaris. This often involves a specific sequence of opening and closing the driver's door, inserting and removing the key, and pressing buttons. Consult your owner's manual for the exact steps for your model. Once completed, test the lock and unlock buttons to confirm the key fob is working correctly with your vehicle. If your key fob still isn't working after a new battery and reprogramming, inspect the circuit board for any visible damage or corrosion. Sometimes, a small amount of moisture can cause issues. If you've tried these steps and still have problems, it might be time to consult a professional locksmith or Toyota dealership for further diagnosis. Also, remember to check the description for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.